stick together. Trust is the ground we stand on. Simple, honest, unwavering. We move as one team, with our clients and with each other. In unity, we find strength, continuity, and dedication. By sticking together, we get further than any of us could alone. See further. At PDM, we don't chase the future for our clients. We build it with them. Every step, every strategy, every solution is crafted together to uncover the insights behind them, to anticipate challenges before they arise, and to turn complexity into opportunity. Aim higher. Winning starts with the choice to stay curious, to stretch your skills, and to step forward even when it's easier to stand still. At PDM, ambition is not noise. It's the quiet discipline of keeping our promises and raising our standards. That's how we aim higher together.